You
Bye,
bet.
everyone. Have a good
Bye.
day.
I got a quick question, Cyril, if you got a
Sure.
second. So I don't know if this is probably very idiosyncratic, but I noticed that when I'm doing sit-ups, that my back kind of cracks. But if I pull my core really tight, it doesn't. And I kind of made it a goal now because it makes me really pay attention to my core. I have no idea if that's like, there's too much mobility because the muscles aren't strong enough, and that's why it pops, or if it's just hard to tell because it's, everybody.
Yeah, that's a great question. And like I'm the king of popping. All my joints pop like crazy. And
Yeah.
it's, it's an age thing for sure. And it's also can be that, like you say, you haven't been in the right position for a long time.
Yeah.
So things are kind of adjusting, but you're absolutely right. You should, on all the stuff we're doing, even an air squat, a push-up, we should be tightening our core. It's going to make that movement, number one, easier to do, and number two, safer and just better. And it's going to strengthen your core at the same time.
Yeah.
So,
I kind of realized how I wasn't, it was, even though I was doing a sit up, there was a lot of laxity in the core. So.
Right.
Anyway,
Yeah,
all right,
absolutely.
sounds great.
All right, good, George. Have a great day.
Take
Let me
care.
know
You
if you
too.
need anything.